Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best gifts for girls aged 8 to 10 are probably one of the most exciting and challenging purchases a parent, aunt, uncle, or friend can make, as this age group is rapidly developing their own unique interests, personalities, and sense of style, making it crucial to select presents that are not only fun and engaging but also foster creativity, learning, and personal growth, ensuring the chosen item becomes a cherished possession rather than a forgotten toy. Number 5. Crayola Light Up Tracing Pad Pink. Discover the Crayola Light Up Tracing Pad, a perfect gift for kids aged 6 to 8. It's an exciting way to explore art and creativity. This kit includes everything you need to begin tracing immediately. You'll find tracing sheets, blank paper, colored pencils, and a graphite pencil. With its bright LED lights, tracing images is simple and fun. It illuminates your chosen designs, making it easy to transfer them onto paper. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy for kids to take their art anywhere. The no-slip frame ensures a stable drawing surface. This educational toy introduces children to different art styles like sketching and lettering. It's a fantastic tool for developing artistic skills. Looking for a unique gift? This tracing pad is an ideal present for birthdays or any occasion, bringing hours of creative fun. What we like? This tracing pad lights up your drawings, making it easy to create detailed artwork. Its lightweight design means you can take your creativity anywhere. If you are looking for a way to introduce kids to art and design in a fun, portable way, this is a great choice. What people say. The doll is very pretty and has beautiful long hair that is easy to brush and style. It comes with a variety of cute accessories, including a tiny comb, brush, and hair clips, which adds to the play value. The doll's clothes are well made and can be easily changed, allowing for different dress-up scenarios. Number 4. ThinkFun Gravity Maze Marble Logic Game. Spark your imagination and hone your critical thinking skills. Tackle engineering challenges through play, fostering intellectual development in an immersive STEM experience. This innovative game merges fun and education, making it ideal for fostering classroom skills. Watch as you become engrossed in strategic planning, both in school and at home. Open a world of construction possibilities as you solve marble puzzles that challenge your imagination. It includes everything you need for endless design possibilities. You'll love solving challenges and constructing complex runs with friends and family. This builds communication and reasoning skills while having fun. It's a great birthday or holiday gift for kids who love logic games and creative problem solving. Learn from this challenging and Montessori-friendly game. What we like? This game challenges kids to build a path for marbles using logic and spatial reasoning. It's a fantastic way to develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills through engaging play. If you want a game that is both educational and fun, encouraging strategic thinking and teamwork, this is an excellent option. What people say. The product is very durable and has a great design. It is easy to use and has many features that kids love. The quality is excellent and it is a perfect gift for birthdays. Number 3. Fettero Tiny Gold Initial Heart Necklace. Discover our exquisite necklace, a perfect blend of delicate design and heartfelt sentiment. It's crafted with a 14K gold plating for a luxurious shine. Each piece is meticulously handmade, ensuring a unique and special addition to your jewelry collection. This dainty necklace is designed for everyday elegance. Adorn yourself with a symbol of love and personal connection. This necklace features a charming initial heart, making it a meaningful gift. Experience the radiant glow of 14K gold plating. This beautiful finish adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Looking for a thoughtful present? This necklace is an ideal choice for birthdays, anniversaries, or just because. It's a gift she'll cherish. Trust in the quality and artistry of Fettero. This necklace embodies our commitment to creating beautiful, lasting jewelry for women. What we like? This necklace features a delicate initial heart design, perfect for adding a personal touch to any outfit. It's a beautiful piece of handmade jewelry that offers a subtle yet stylish statement. If you're looking for a thoughtful and elegant gift that can be customized with a special initial, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. The doll is very pretty and has a lot of accessories. My daughter loves this doll, she plays with it all the time. The doll is well made and durable. Number 2. Pooqla Colorful LED Marquee Letter Lights. Introducing our brand new Marquee Letter Lights. Unlike traditional lights, these offer 16 vibrant color options to make any celebration truly shine. These lights are designed for ultimate flexibility. You can spell out any message using the alphabet and symbols, perfect for any occasion or room. Our upgraded remote gives you full control. Choose your desired color, select from 4 flashing modes, and even adjust the speed for the perfect ambience. Decorate your home, parties, holidays, or special events with these eye-catching lights. They also make a fantastic gift for friends and family. Each unit is made of durable plastic and can be displayed freestanding or easily hung on a wall. They require 2 AA batteries, which are not included. What we like? These marquee lights offer a spectrum of 16 colors and come with a remote for easy control of colors and flashing modes. They can spell out any word or initial, adding a unique ambience to any space. If you want to add a vibrant and personalized touch to parties, rooms, or special events, these lights provide endless decorative possibilities. What people say. This is a great gift for girls 8 to 10 years old. The product is well made and durable. It's a fun and engaging toy that kids will love. Number 1. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Get ready for hours of imaginative fun with this exciting slime making kit. It's designed to spark creativity and let kids design their own unique slimes. This 31-piece kit provides everything you need to create custom slimes. You can personalize them with various scents, mix-ins, and decorations for a truly unique experience. More than just a toy, this kit helps develop important skills. Kids can explore creativity, make decisions, and learn through hands-on mixing and designing. Dive into a world of sensory play with stretchy, squishy textures and vibrant colors. This set is perfect for crafting and imaginative fun. Looking for a creative gift? This DIY craft set is ideal for birthdays and special occasions. It even comes with a storage container for endless replayability. What we like? This kit allows kids to create their own ice cream-themed slime with various scents, colors, and mix-ins. It provides a fun, hands-on crafting experience that encourages creativity and sensory exploration. If you're looking for an engaging arts and crafts activity that results in a fun, squishy toy, this DIY slime kit is perfect for imaginative play. What people say. The dress is beautiful and fits perfectly. My daughter loves the design and the fabric is very soft. It's a great gift for any occasion, very well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.